Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our Learning from Home experience. Hope you guys had an awesome spring break. Glad to see that you're back with us now so we can continue our great learning, even from home. Today, we're going to get ourselves back on track in terms of working with our Letterland skills. So, this is where we work on sound practice, word blending, basically giving ourselves an opportunity to become those excellent readers that we've been working towards. During this week's Letterland work, we're going to be focusing on prefixes. A prefix is a special beginning that we can add to a word to change the meaning. I'll show you guys a little bit of what I mean. Here are some of my prefixes. Well, they're not mine, they don't belong to me, but they're definitely prefixes that are going to help us during this week. Each prefix that we see has its own special meaning. I'll start with my first prefix, dis. In this case, when I see the prefix dis, I know that it means do not. Let's see how this might work when I put it with a base word. In this case, my base word is going to be the word like. When I combine my prefix and my base word, I create a new word. In this case, my new word would be dislike. Again, that prefix goes at the beginning, before the base word. And because I know this prefix dis means do not, I know that dislike means I do not like something. For example, I might say, I dislike cabbage. I do not like cabbage. Let's look at another example if we may. In this case, I'm going to focus on the prefix re. My prefix re means again. Let's take a look at how we might use that. I could have a base word such as play. When I combine my prefix re with my base word play, it will make a new word for us, replay. Which means to play again. So just by adding that prefix, I can change the meaning and create a new word. Our next prefix is pre. And this is going to mean before. It's interesting, prefix has a prefix in it. It has the it has the prefix pre in it. Let's take a look at how this might work with a base word. So I could put the word school here as my base word. So now when I combine this prefix, pre, with my base word school, I create the new word preschool. Okay? And this is that school you go to before you start real school. Last but not least, we'll look at our last prefix, and this one is un. My prefix un is going to mean not. Let's look at how this might be used. I'm going to use the base word tie. When I combine these two, my prefix and my base word, I now have a new word. In this case, the word is untie, which means not tied. I have to untie my shoestrings. So during this week, we're going to be seeing examples of words with those prefixes, specifically words with the prefixes dis, re, pre, and un. Here's a look at our word list for this week. As we take a look together, I can see that my first group of words have that dis prefix. I have the word disappear, dislike. From there I have my re words, refill, rewrite, replace. My pre words, prepay, preschool, and my un words, untie, unaware, unafraid, unwrap, and unhelpful. What you guys are going to be working on today is just taking a look at this list and reading it for yourselves. I'll post a picture of this word list, and just like we would normally do on a day one Letterland, you're going to be reading this list 2 times. Once you've read it, leave a comment letting us know that you've completed it. If you have any questions about the word list or any questions about using prefixes, feel free to hit us up in Google Classroom or shoot me a message on Class Dojo. Otherwise, have fun, and I'll talk to you guys soon. You know the deal. Peace.